Welcome today, guys. We are actually in the showroom here at Colton RV and Marine, and today we wanted to bring you Sunchaser's flagship boat. So behind me we have a 23 Calais. It is an SB DC, which is a swingback model. The DC is a dual console. Checking this boat out though, it is gorgeous. So you have the metal aluminum exterior. So this is entirely wrapped aluminum, matched with the painted pontoons. This is a big wave addition, so on the Niagara River, the bigger finger lates, this boat is going to handle flawlessly. Let's move around up into the front. As we're walking to the front, you'll notice the stainless steel rub rail helps you with docking and putting your fenders out. Stainless steel encased docking lights. A lot of times you'll see the docking lights up on the rail skin. A lot of people don't like that. This is a nicer, sleeker look. Actually protects your feet as well. Moving to the front though, it is completely open for you to dock and load your passengers. So what I'm talking about up here, guys, is you're up, you have plenty of room to walk around. This boat does have interior lights. There are a couple interior lights on the inside of those docking lights that you'll see, but hop on board and we'll take you through the interior of this boat. So the biggest thing with the Calais, this series, is the dual console that everybody likes. So instead of having a traditional passenger seat or a driver's seat and a passenger next to you, you actually have encased consoles. Adds to your storage that you can see in here. That also goes along with all your storage under your seats. So all your seats have these pull tabs that you can pull up. You can see the storage is pretty deep in the Calais. It has an irrigation system throughout, so if you guys are in a storm during the summer months, rain will fall down through this back seat, hit this trowel, and drain before it gets all your supplies or boating gear wet. Coming through the bow of the boat, you can see the interior lights that Sunchaser put on the floor. Gives you that nice accent when you're riding in the evening or at night. The windshield's a good accent piece for this too, as your rider's sitting here. Keeps a lot of the wind off of you, and also a lot of our passengers feel like the windshield gives them a safety feature. It just feels they're more enclosed on the boat. But both of them are raised helms, so your driver and your passenger, like our other videos we've shown you, this console puts you guys up about an inch to 2 inches above your bow riders, which always gives you a line of sight. And then for the parents, you can tell the front kids to knock it off. Moving through towards the helm, it is fully operational. So you have a cell phone charging port down here. And then you have a very, very nice Simrad chart plotter, which this particular model is also linked to its gauges. So all your gauges are going to be digital through the Simrad. You also see that the tower that is above us, that is also automated. So there are 2 buttons here that raises and lowers the tower. And you can kind of see it starting to collapse now, really for storage and transportation. And then when you get to your destination or get to your garage and it's inside, you can put the tower back up. Off of the tower, everybody wonders, does this have a bimini? Yes, the tower boats do have biminis. You guys can see it is attached to the back here. Along with that, we do have a ski tow bar that is back here for tubing and other sports. But if you guys are going to get on a board or water skis, I myself advise all my customers to get attached from the tower. The tower is going to give you a little bit more leverage off of that board. Having the rope go up to the tower turns a 1 mile rider into a 5 mile rider, almost to the point where you have to tell the rider to let go of the rope with the incorporation of the tower. Moving back, this particular boat, we did incorporate a table. You can kind of see how the table is shaped. It is cut to a way where I can walk past the table and not get in anyone else's way. When I move into the seat, the table is easily be able to turn in different positions to enjoy it as it just pivots. And then the big thing about this boat that everybody likes is why it's called an SB. The SB stands for swing back. So this swing back will flip and create a lounger back here. So you guys can watch all your riders hang out when you're doing tubing, when you're partying at the cove or hanging out eating lunch. You guys can enjoy a nice seat while your kids are jumping off the extended back that you see. The extended deck is another feature that we like on our pontoons. Instead of coming up the ladder and tiptoeing across the boat, you guys can see there's plenty enough platform for people to move around and use as a diving board. Popping off of this boat though, the #1 selling feature that we see in our showroom is the changing room. And what is a changing room, Jim? The changing room gives you the ability to put a potty on your boat and then use it so you don't have to constantly go back to shore. So you'll just pop that little lever, you'll have a curtain drop out. Your potty, which we do sell in our pro shop, is available to fit this particular boat. It's a great accessory to have in the early months when you're getting out, and in the fall months like today, it's warm out, but that water is cold, so the bathroom would be key to enjoy a nice ride this evening. This particular boat is paired with a Yamaha 300, so speed is not an issue on this boat. You're going to be cruising well into the 40s, be able to do all your water sports. And again, to get you that feel of how big this extended deck is, it's massive. I'm a pretty big guy, I'm out here. 2 or 3 people can use this. A lot of our customers do like to put grills back here. We also have a very, very nice option to put a lily pad diving board back here that is also available in our pro shop. We do have a special price on this particular 2024 model. It is at $109,000, so it is the cheapest 23 footer, triple tune, and a 300 horsepower, so you can't beat the price. If you guys want to come in and check it out, it is available in our showroom Monday through Saturday. Just call ahead of time, let us know you're coming, and we will be happy to show you guys this boat or any other boat you see on our website. So give us a call. My particular number is 716-694-0188, extension 425. I would love to see you guys here in the showroom and get you all your needs.